What is going on? I'm locked in the car wash. I'm locked in the car wash. They just keep washing my car. They won't let me out. They lock the doors. They won't let me out. Me and my son, we stuck in the car wash.
Stuck in the car wash.
They keep washing the car. Somebody please find me some help. I am located in Nashville, Tennessee. Please give me some help. I'm in Nashville, Tennessee. In the car wash on Alexander. Please, somebody come help us. My son thinks it's funny, but it's not. Because they just keep washing the car. Look, they locked us in. Look at the front. Look at the back.
Oh, snap.
Look at it. We're in Nashville, Tennessee on Alexander Street. Someone please get us some help. Please. My name is Jeremiah Johnson. Jeremiah Johnson.
Oh my God.
And this is my son. I'm not going to tell y'all his name. But my name is Jeremiah Johnson. I stay on 175 East Lane, Nashville, Tennessee. Somebody please give me some help on Alexander Street right now. They won't let me out the car wash. Stop laughing, Dylan. Dylan, it's not funny. We're stuck, Dylan. Here it comes again.
They slick have been washing this car for 10 minutes.
They've been washing the car for 30 minutes.
Oh, no.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. We gotta get some help. Oh shit.